Want to know how to download the Java Development Kit or JDK on your PC? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily download JDK. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your favorite browser and you can just head towards oracle.com or type in JDK Oracle directly. And once I've selected that, here you should see Java downloads. Just simply select this first link that should direct you to its Oracle's official website. Now once you're there, here you should be seeing the earlier versions of Java. So you can just simply download any one of these. So currently it's JDK 24 or JDK 21. So you can select your OS as well. So for me it's Windows. So you can just simply select the compressed archive installer or MSI installer. So you can just simply select this link right here, and then the download will begin. And once the download is finished, your Java should be successfully installed. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.